Let's see how to add form fields in a PDF using Adobe Acrobat. So in your Adobe Acrobat, open your PDF file, then go to Tools section. Under Tools, you have to scroll down and click on Prepare Form. Click on Start. And before that, you have to save your PDF file. And then here you directly jump into your form, Prepare field. Here you will find a bunch of different form fields. You can go ahead and add any of them according to your needs. So if you want to add a text, select here add text and write here your text. Then you can add a text field. You can add a text field here. You can also add checkboxes field just like this. And you can also select add radio buttons. Here we can see radio buttons. And here you will find these add a list of choices field. You can add it here. You can also add here these add a drop down list. You can add these print button. You can add date and date field from here. Then I'm just clicking on preview, and here as you can see I've successfully added bunch of different form field. So that's how you can actually do it. Thanks for watching.